Challenges of rocket launch in Kenya. Kenya, located near the equator, holds a geographically strategic position for space launches, offering fuel efficiency and ideal orbital paths. However, despite this natural advantage, the country faces several challenges in establishing itself as a viable rocket launch site. First, limited infrastructure remains a major hurdle. While Kenya has historical ties to space through the former San Marco launch platform in Malindi, there is currently no fully operational modern rocket launch facility in the country. Reviving and upgrading such infrastructure would require extensive investment in technology, safety systems, and ground support. Secondly, regulatory and institutional gaps hinder development. Kenya's space program is still in its early stages, and its legal and policy frameworks are underdeveloped. The lack of a comprehensive space law and clear guidelines for commercial and international participation slows momentum and deters investment. Funding constraints also play a significant role. Competing national priorities such as healthcare, education, and economic development often limit the budget allocated to space science and launch capabilities. As a result, space initiatives remain dependent on foreign partnerships and external funding. Skilled workforce shortages present another challenge. While Kenya has a growing pool of science and engineering graduates, hands-on experience in rocket design, propulsion, and launch logistics is minimal. Bridging this gap requires targeted investment in education, research institutions, and global collaboration. Additionally, environmental and geopolitical factors must be carefully managed. Any future launch activity must consider coastal ecosystems, community engagement, and international security obligations, especially given Kenya's proximity to busy maritime and air routes. As Kenya builds its institutional capacity, strengthens international ties, and invests in homegrown talent, it is gradually positioning itself for future launch capability. With its equatorial advantage and growing technological ambition, Kenya has the potential to become a key gateway to space for East Africa. Thanks for watching.